What is the best way to waterproof USA electronics? Imagine taking your remote control car out for a spin in the rain or through muddy puddles. You want it to keep running smoothly, right? Waterproofing your electronics is the way to go. It's all about protecting those tiny but vital parts inside your USA vehicle from water damage. So, what's the best way to do it? Let's break it down. First, start with conformal coatings. These are thin protective layers you can spray, brush, or dip onto your circuit boards and electronic parts. They come in acrylic or silicone-based formulas. Applying them is simple. Just spray or brush a light coat onto your electronics and let it dry completely. These coatings form a waterproof barrier that keeps moisture, dust, and corrosion away. They stay flexible, so your electronics won't crack if your vehicle vibrates or flexes during a run. Some conformal coatings even allow you to solder through them later if you need to do repairs. Expect to spend about $10 to $20 for a good spray can or bottle, and it takes around 30 minutes to dry. Next, consider using liquid electrical tape or Plastidip. These rubberized coatings are thick and form a solid seal around your electronics. You can dip your electronic speed controller, receiver, or servo into the liquid or brush it on. Once it dries, it creates a waterproof shell that's tough to break. Be careful during application to avoid covering sensitive parts or connectors. These coatings cost roughly $5 to $10 per container and dry within an hour. They're great for encapsulating entire components and are especially useful if you plan to submerge your vehicle briefly. Another option is physically enclosing your electronics inside waterproof barriers. Think of balloons, silicone sleeves, or custom waterproof boxes. For example, you can put your receiver inside a balloon and seal the opening with electrical tape or zip ties. This creates an air pocket that keeps water out even if you go through puddles. Waterproof grease and O-rings are also helpful for sealing servo cases and connectors. When sealing, make sure all openings are tightly closed and no gaps remain. Waterproof boxes cost about $10 to $30, and installing them takes around 20 minutes. Wiring protection is equally important. Use waterproof connectors and seal exposed wire junctions with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. These small steps prevent water from sneaking into the wires and causing shorts. When connecting wires, always ensure there are no gaps or holes where water can enter. After your run, especially in wet conditions, dry your electronics thoroughly. Inspect seals and coatings for damage or wear. Reapply coatings or replace seals if needed to keep your electronics safe for the next adventure. Combining these methods gives you the best waterproofing. Use conformal coatings or liquid electrical tape on circuit boards. Enclose electronics in waterproof boxes or balloons. Seal mechanical parts with waterproof grease and O-rings. Protect your wiring with waterproof connectors and proper insulation. Regular maintenance keeps everything working perfectly. By following these steps, you can enjoy driving your USA vehicle in rain, mud, or water without worry. Proper waterproofing means less repair time and more fun on the trail.